Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make a text transparent or text box inside your site projects and pages you create and edit on Framer. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm on that example site project here on that homepage here. So let me navigate to this page and apply the transparency or opacity to that text box. There are two ways how you can do this here in Framer. Regardless, you will need to left click into the text box to access its customization panel here on the right hand side. So option number one, you navigate to styles. If it's collapsed, you may expand it by clicking into this plus button, and then you may use that slider here to adjust the opacity by moving it to the left or to the right. So if I move it let's say to opacity of 0.44, it would look like this. You can also enter a value here, use that up and down arrows. That's option number one. You may also click into no, that is going to apply a 1% opacity or transparency, sorry, which means the text box will not be visible. So let me click into yes again, visibility. Option number two, you scroll down and under text, you click into the color or color box here. And then no matter which color you apply for the font, you can adjust also a custom opacity level here below by using that slider. And again, if I move it to the left, the text will become basically pretty transparent like this. And that's how it works, as you can see. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.